Welcome back guys, wanted to do a quick follow-up video of my EDC tools kit. I will tag the original video as well for reference since I'm gonna go through the newest additions to the set. And of course everything will be linked in the description. It was time to make use of that front outer pocket where I've added a standard Sharpie, a mini Bic lighter since it comes handy when dealing with shrink wraps for example, and lastly here we have a bunch of zip ties. Also to mention that I have removed the thermal anti-seize tube and the sealing tape from the previous video. Now let's jump inside. I've added a few shrink wraps in different sizes which came from a kit. Then I'm only keeping the extra long impact bit since the other one I put in my drill box. Plus I really need the extra reach with this one. The yellow coordination between the ASD VHA screwdriver and the saber cut bit were a lovely coincidence. Then I've added this mini diamond file kit for like precision tasks. Now onto the left side. We have this telescopic magnetic pen which is pretty much self-explanatory. Then I relocated the snap-on flare nut wrench in the sleeve here and it stays put thanks to that tag. Decided to try out this new mini ratchet from PrestaCycle, which is a bit special since it's way beefier than the original and popular Topic one. Here is a picture I found on Amazon for size perspective, and from what I understand this ratchet is rated up to 70 Nm of torque, which is epic. Plus you get this extension which will also act as a T-handle for extra grip and torque when you slide it into a specific position. That brown 1/4 inch bit I've added separately so I don't lose it. And yes, I know that I already have a 1/4 inch ratchet on the Vera set, but I like redundancy when it comes to tools that have moving parts. Finally, the newest addition, a brand new snap-on 10mm ratchet, which I found on eBay for a good price. I wanted this one in particular thanks to its low profile head, which is perfect for hard to reach areas. This is the latest version as well, which you can tell by these shiny back rivets and that the serial number ends in an A. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This kit is in constant use and whenever I rotate the tools depending on my needs, I will make another video update. Thanks for watching guys and I'll see you in the next one.